ChatGPT, which stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a chatbot developed by OpenAI. Chatbots are a hot topic in the world of business. Experts predict that by 2023, 85% of all customer service interactions will be conducted via messaging, and those interactions will happen with a bot instead of a human. What is a chatbot? They come in two flavors: virtual assistants, which help you find information, remember stuff, or buy things. Think Apple's Siri, Amazon's Alexa, Microsoft's Cortana, and Google's Assistant. These are powered by machine learning, which relies on artificial intelligence to learn and figure out what you want. Messaging apps, which essentially allow businesses and brands to be online 24/7 providing customer support. Think Facebook Messenger, Kik, WeChat, and Slack. These types of chatbots are only capable of interacting with users by following pre-programmed rules. What you see and experience so far is just the beginning of what is forecast to be a billion-dollar industry in less than 10 years. Many top brands, including Uber, Sephora, and CNN, have already adopted chatbots. That's because chatbots are designed to be fast and efficient at giving answers to common questions and can handle simple tasks like scheduling appointments or checking out from an online store. Are you people also struggling to know about the ChatGPT, and you are considering to invest in the coming future of artificial intelligence technology? Then get ready, sit on couches, get attentive, and stay tuned with us, because we have brought for you all the necessary information and facts that you need to know about ChatGPT before investing in this future technology and earn money through chatbots. Here are 5 ways to get rich using ChatGPT that might surprise you and might lead you to invest in this full of advantages artificial intelligence technology. Number 1. Bots as a service is a game changer. In both B2C and B2B business environments, chatbots are reshaping the technological landscape. Companies are using artificial intelligence creation to automate tasks and operations without incurring additional labor costs. Isn't that incredible? With the modern advances in artificial intelligence software, bots have come a long way. That's the actual reason why businesses are increasingly using them. As a result, you can increase your productivity and get a higher return on investment. Number 2. Use chatbots for affiliate marketing. Chatbots can be used to make money with affiliate marketing. When a user interacts with a chatbot and inquires about where to find specific items, you can refer the user to an affiliate link. And if they make a purchase, you can earn an affiliate commission. Fortunately, assistance is available. By including a chatbot on your website, you may deliver information to your affiliates even when you are not present, while maintaining a dynamic and personable approach. Implementing this functionality allows you to spend less time dealing with typical inquiries and more time on other important duties. Chatbots can also be used to generate potential customers and identify new affiliate marketers. Number 3. Use chatbots for lead generation. Another area of using bots to make money online is through lead generation for your business. Even if you are a newbie, I strongly advise you to consider this strategy, because most businesses aren't interested in the chatbots you're selling. They can be quite interested if you talk about how you can use chatbots to generate leads and drive more sales. Suppose you provide a chatbot for your website users on a specified page. In this case, people are more willing to communicate about their needs with chatbots than to search for products or services online. You can simply capture your potential customer's email address and phone number while providing them with relevant information using a chatbot. This makes the whole process much easier. If utilized and deployed correctly, chatbots may greatly assist organizations in generating potential leads and tracking incoming visitors, their behavior, and their interests. Number 4. Earn money with bots from native or sponsor ads. If you want to supplement your chatbot income or even become an occasional person using bots to make money and change your way of living, it will be through advertising. As we all know, an eye-catching landing page is the first choice for marketers to generate high-quality leads and identify potential customers. On the other hand, if you embed a chatbot on the landing page, you can place ads around it. These may be PPC, pay-per-click advertising, such as Google Ads, affiliate advertising, or sponsored advertising. Looking to the future, marketers are exploring options for landing pages for conversations via chatbots. This works well because data is one of the things that chatbots excel at. Number 5. Robotize your business interactions. It's not only about earning money with chatbots when it comes to monetizing them. By using chatbots to automate customer management, you can cut down on current costs. It takes time, money, and effort for the team to interact with followers. You need to train agents or spend a lot of time responding to consumer inquiries. Every question and every conversation, whether they are difficult requests or basic product questions, will take man-hours that can be put to better use elsewhere. In fact, your team can be backed up, especially during periods of strong customer service demand, which can result in longer response times. You will not have any of these problems with chatbots. They will respond quickly and provide important information to customers as needed. Simple requests for information will be handled gracefully, and customer support demands, such as a refund ticket, will be processed rapidly, without the need to negotiate with your staff. I'm sure there are a variety of legal ways to make money with bots. Go ahead and locate one if you can. Please let us know what you think to earn money with chatbots. Allow others to learn about the alternate technique as well. Pretty soon chatbots will be ridiculously popular in the US as well. Are you ready for the amazing chatbot revolution?